Welcome everyone to my very unorganized bathroom. Today we will be organizing this hot mess and there is a lot to do, so let's get started. I like to get started by removing all the items from the focused area. I got these really cute glass jars from the dollar store. In the future, I may spray paint these matte black or a white. I got this idea from Pinterest and it looks super aesthetic and super cute. This organizer I got from the dollar store too. I'm working on a budget here, so I can't get those really fancy organizers just yet. So for now, I am working with what I got. I'm going to work in parallel and organize my husband's cabinets. Some of the things in there do not belong in there, and I feel like this is a perfect place to just see what belongs in there and what belongs in the main bathroom closet. So I'm picking out all of the lotions first. I'm trying a different strategy right here, that is to grab all the items in their category and then put them in their container. This cute container I got from my last kitchen organizing video. There was this one left over. I believe a couple other ones were left over too, so I am utilizing them here. And yes, these black bins are also from the dollar store. This bin is also from the dollar store. I believe all my bins and containers that I got in this video are from the dollar store. The only one that is not is that clear one. So I'm just setting them back in place and working with the structure, trying to see what's most efficient for my husband to just quickly grab, and he doesn't have to find it a hassle to maintain it. Perfect, organized, everything has a place where it belongs. I am going to now continue the closet. I've had this bin for generations. I'm just kidding. I've had this bin for a while now. I don't remember where it came from, what store I got it from, but I am just recycling this bin. So you kind of have to play with size a little. Here you can see this gray bin actually holds my alcohol rub and the wipes better than that other bin. So I am transferring them to this bigger bin. In the future, I may spray paint these bins also different color, but for now it gets the job done and I am putting all my feminine products. Wonderful, now I am moving on to the next rack. This is not aesthetic at all of my nail polishes are in one bag, which is not cute, but it holds them in place right now. I don't have a aesthetic container for them. I will in the future, but right now I am just organizing my whole bathroom and working with what I have. I'm putting all of my lashes in this Estee Lauder. I think that's how you say it. Sorry, you guys always hear me mispronounce things. I know someone out there knows how to pronounce it, and I know I can easily look it up on Google, but what's the fun in that, right? To pronounce everything correct? So yes, I am just putting them in this box that came in that Estee Lauder packaging. These are my microfiber hair towels, and I have folded them and I'm just putting them nicely tucked in this corner. Here I'm just piling up all the toilet paper in one side, playing around with what fits best. I recycle my shopping bags, as many of us probably do, and I have placed them in this bin. This beautiful container I got from Amazon, and I got these for my kitchen organizing video, and there was some left over, so I am utilizing the ones that are left over here. These cleaning rags come handy when I want to wipe down the counters or there's some sort of spillage in the bathroom. I just quickly grab one of these and clean it up. I found more of my hair clips, so I am transferring them to a longer bin. The other one was so aesthetic and beautiful, but sadly they don't all fit there. Hopefully in the future I will find something more aesthetically pleasing and put them all there, but this gets the job done. I don't have a container for my headband, so I'm just going to lean it against the wall. I'm almost done organizing the bathroom closet, but I just realized that I still have to organize my cabinet, so let's get that going. I'm categorizing all of my items on the floor, so I am going to grab these ones from my medicine drawer. Okay, so let's see what we're working with. All of my dental is right here. All of my face creams are right here in this section. My makeup is right here, and my hair care items are right here. Over there is my dirty laundry, and right here is a little garbage section that I started. First, I'm going to take out all of my brushes from their containers and see what I'm working with regarding my brushes. Yes, I will most definitely have to wash all my brushes, as obviously they're going on the floor, but for now this is an organizing video, not a washing my brushes video. So keep a lookout, maybe I'll do one of those. I'm convinced I'm definitely doing one of those videos. I have so many brushes, and to be honest, I don't think I use them all, but I can't part ways with all my brushes. But here I am picking out all the thick ones are going to go in one container and all the thin ones are going to go in another. Since there's a lot of room in my small brushes container, I am going to add my eyeliners. Alright, so now this contour, I know for sure there's no product in there or very little, so this is definitely going in the garbage. When you're organizing your makeup, definitely keep a lookout for those sneaky products that don't have anything in there anymore but just sneak on by for decades. Gizmo stopped on by to say hi as always. I love it when he does because he reminds me to take a breath and just realize that I am so lucky to be organizing my bathroom. I just bought my house and I am blessed to have such a big area to organize. In this makeup bag, I'm adding all of my eyeshadows, mostly powdered makeup, you can say. And here is where my Tetris skills come to play. On the side of my cabinet, I am adding all of my makeup. Honestly, by now I just kind of wanted to walk away because this is a lot to work with. I'm shaking the bottles to see if there's any product left over, and of course there's not, so those are going in the trash. This box alone is holding up a lot of space, so I'm just going to remove the eye patches that are in there and I'm going to put them in the bin alone. Okay, so this container is super cute and aesthetic. I am going to remove the label. See how clean it looks already? I'm going to wash this and I'm going to recycle it. Not sure what I'll put in there, but for now I'm going to keep it. The organizing is still continuing. I just want to remind you real quick to don't forget to like and subscribe if you're getting some value from this. I make videos just like this, organizing, cleaning, lifestyle. That is where my niche is. I enjoy making this type of content. I really enjoy reading everyone's comments, so definitely comment down below if you have an organizing, cleaning, lifestyle channel. I want to check it out, as I really love getting ideas from everyone, and I believe that a community is definitely a way to thrive in this world. So on the side of the cabinet, I am going to have my face creams and my face products. And if you remember, on the other side, I have my makeup. So my hair products will go in the bathroom closet. Behind the mirror, I am putting the products that I use every single day, excluding my toothpaste, toothbrush, and floss. And that is it. Everything is organized, is not as aesthetic as I would love it to be. But hey, this is the first time organizing this environment, and honestly, being organized simply means that everything has a place where it belongs. Everything that is in that place is categorized and is sufficient for you to grab. So that is exactly what I have built in my bathroom. It works for now and I love it. I am super proud of how it turned out. And stay tuned for a future video where it will actually be aesthetically organized. Remember to work with what you have. Never feel discouraged by someone else's beautifully, aesthetically organized environment. Just work with what you have. Alright, enough with the motherly advice. I just want to say thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. It means so much. I am so grateful for each and every single one of you. And until next time, much blessings to you and your family. Look at how much trash was hiding in my bathroom.